I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon toast the only way. We begin with the star ingredient, high-quality, thick-cut bacon. Lay your bacon strips flat in a cold pan, ensuring they cook evenly. Then turn the heat to medium-low. This slow cooking method is crucial for rendering the fat properly and achieving that perfect, crispy texture without burning. Cook until golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Now for the secret ingredient, bacon fat. Once your bacon is perfectly cooked, remove it from the pan, leaving behind about 2 tablespoons of that glorious rendered fat. This is where the magic happens. Place 2 slices of your favorite bread directly into the warm fat. Toast them over medium heat, turning once, until each side is a beautiful golden brown and wonderfully crisp. This infuses the bread with incredible flavor. With your bacon and toast ready, it is time to assemble your masterpiece. First, spread a thin, even layer of your preferred condiment, like mayonnaise or butter, on one side of each piece of bacon fat toasted bread. Next, carefully arrange 2 to 3 strips of your perfectly crispy bacon on top. For an extra layer of flavor, add a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper. This simple addition elevates the taste significantly. And there you have it, the perfect bacon toast made the only way. Serve your creation immediately to fully enjoy its optimal warmth and satisfying crunch. This delightful treat pairs wonderfully with a fresh cup of coffee for breakfast or a refreshing glass of orange juice. This unique method guarantees an incredibly flavorful, deeply satisfying, and truly unforgettable meal every single time. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.